Hello friends, welcome to Subveggie. Today we are going to learn kova in the microwave within 5 minutes. Palkova in 5 minutes? Really? What has the world of cooking come to? Traditionally, palkova and this tiratipal would require you to painstakingly stir a pan of milk constantly to avoid burning until it reduces to a delicious uh, mulch, which is the sweetened, and the resultant palkova cannot be compared to this 10 minutes microwave or stove top version. Let's not kid ourselves, but it's still quite magical to get a good bowl of hot palkova in just 10 minutes. During Diwali, nothing can be more convenient than getting some super quick and easy sweets on the table so you can concentrate on other festival activities at hand. So ingredients required are: we need condensed milk 1 can, that is 400 ml, and plain yogurt, that is curd 3 tablespoon, and a ghee 1 tablespoon. Very less ingredients. Now I'll see direction. In microwave for 2 minutes. Take it out and mix well. It will look a little curdle and thick at this point. Now put it back in microwave for 2 minutes. Take it out and mix well. It will look so curdle and thick at this stage, and if your kova is so thick and no more water left, you can enjoy right away. But for me, I found a little liquid left, so putting the container in microwave for 1 more minute. So yummy and delicious kova is prepared within no minutes, and it's really delicious and mouth watering. Can you imagine that a yummy sweet can be made in less than 10 minutes? How cool is that? So you can also whip this up in no time whenever your sweet craving stuck, and so try it and let me know prepared within 10 minutes. So try it and have a wonderful festival ahead. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.